Hi all, good morning. How are you all? Okay. Did you study well? The first flight? Yes. Who's the main character? Yes, Rowley, an owlet. Okay, welcome back to our English class. Now let's move towards the story. In the last class, we have seen that Rowley is back with glasses and a hat. Who gave them? Yes, it is the mouse who gave these things to Rowley the owlet. Here we have seen that the father asked Rowley, "Who are you?" Let's see what she replies to him. "It's me, your Rowley," Rowley said. "Where were you, dear? Who gave you the hat and the glasses?" Father asked. "I can see everything in daylight, so I went out. I got a new friend too. He gave me all these things," Rowley said, smiling. "Oh dear, you are someone special. So special." Everyone hugged her. So we can see that Rowley says that she can go out in daylight, that she can fly out in daylight. She can see everything. By hearing this, everybody of her family became very happy, and the father says that you are special. You are someone so special. My dear children, read page number 136 many times. Keep your finger near the line while you read, okay? Now let's discuss some question answers. First question, what did Ruli see near a bush? Ruli saw a mouse near the bush. What did the mouse give Ruli? The mouse gave banana, peanuts, almond, and cashew nuts. Third one, why did Rowley's father say that she is someone special? Because she could see everything in daylight. So, my dear children, copy down these notes into your notebook and write and study them in your rough book 5 times. Now, let's take page number 143. I like the story. I know the events of the story. I can read the sentences given. After reading them, put a tick for true and put a cross for false statements for the given statements. Okay. The first sentence is Rowley is the mother owl. Is that correct? No, it's wrong. So, it's a wrong sentence. Second one, Rowley cannot fly. Again, wrong sentence. She flies out in daylight. It's correct one. The flowers and hills are not beautiful. Wrong. The mouse becomes Ruli's friend. Correct. Ruli does not like to play with the mouse. She does. So it's a wrong sentence. The mouse gives her some food. Right. Does not feel tired in daylight. Did she? No, she felt tired, right? It's a wrong sentence. The mouse gives Ruli a hat and a sunglass. Correct. Rowley is a special owlet. Correct. So copy down these wrong and true. Sorry, mark the sentences with wrong and cross and tick marks. Okay. Now we have one more activity in this page. See, here I can edit the false statements and write them. Rewrite them. Okay, so now let's edit the four statements. What were the four statements? Yes, Rowley is the mother owl. It was the first wrong statement. Rowley is the mother owl. No. Yes, Rowley is the baby owl, or Rowley is the owlet. Second one, Rowley cannot fly. Rowley can Rowley can fly. Then the flowers and hills are not beautiful. The flowers and hills are beautiful. We have to take out the note from the sentence. The mouse becomes Rowley's friend. Right sentence. Rowley does not like to play with the mouse. Rowley likes to play with the mouse. The mouse gives her some food. Rowley does not feel tired in daylight. Rowley feels tired in daylight. The mouse gives Rowley a hat and sunglasses. Rowley is a special owl. So you can correct the sentences like this. Okay. See, I have corrected the sentences. Copy down these sentences into your textbook. See, my dear children, we have corrected the sentences like this. Cannot becomes can. And the flowers and hills are not beautiful. Are not is cancelled and are. Then the wrong one. Rowley does not like to play with the mouse. So when we take out not from this sentence, like becomes likes. Then the last one, Rowley does not feel tired in daylight. Here, when we take out the note from the sentence, it becomes feels. Feel plus does, feels. Hope you have understood this. We can study them in detail in our Google Meet. Children, let's take page number 137 now. It's a poem. Do you like poems? Yes. It's a poem about owls. I'll read the poem for you. You have to keep your finger near the line and read along with me, okay? The poem is Over in the Meadow. It is written by Edna Hamilton. Over in the meadow, in a hole in a tree, lived an old mother owl and her little owls three. Too-woo, said the mother, too-woo, said the three. So they too-wooed all day in a hole in a tree. My dear children, I read the poem several times. In this poem, the poet talks about an owl family with mother and three owls living in a big tree, and the tree has a hole. So they are living in that hole. And the poet says what the owls doing. Okay, did you like the poem? Okay, now let's discuss some notes of this poem. Rhyming words: shadow, meadow, howl, owl, lay, say, tree, free, feather, leather, mole, ball. Sorry, it's not mole, it's hole. Hole, ball. I'll make the correction in the note. Now let's read the story in page number 142. Tinku's Wings. Story is given for reading purpose. So, my dear children, after I complete reading, you have to read it many times, okay? Tinku, the cat, was on his morning walk. He looked at the sky, the beautiful blue sky. He saw birds flying in the sky. I too like to fly. On the way, he saw a pair of wings. Wow, two wings. Tingu looked around. Hi, I got it. Ha ha ha. I can fly. I'll fly up in the sky like a kite. He took the wings. He ran to the hill's top. He fixed wings on his hands. Ready? One, two, three. Tingu flapped his wings. He tried to fly up. No use. He tried again. He flapped his wings again and jumped up. Tingu was now in the air. What's happening? Oh no, I'm not flying. I'm falling down. Help, help me. I don't want to fly. Tingu the poor cat cried aloud. So, it's a story of Tingu the cat and who wants to fly like the birds. What happened at the last? Yes, he couldn't fly. He was falling from the hilltop. Read the story many times, okay? You have your assessments coming, so all the best for your assessments. Study well, write neatly, stay home, stay safe. Bye, all.